Graham's going to explain his. He looks like he has a trophy from Aston Martin Owners Club, first in class.
Well, I had an
Ooh.
Aston Martin.
Right.
This was the car I had, that white one, V8, 77 V8 Aston Martin. I had it 22 years.
Is that the same one as James Bond, or was
Yeah,
this?
well, no,
Yeah.
it's a James Bond car, yeah, but it's not a DB5, which was
okay.
the original one. But that was in the movie The Living Daylights.
Oh, okay.
James Bond, you know.
So you're explaining about this is the Cadillac that you like because it has details.
This is what I drive at the moment.
This
Mini here.
the suicide doors.
Yeah.
That's funny. Wow, I've never seen a Cadillac with suicide doors. Didn't know they made one. And this is this looks like interesting car. So, but and you have a Ferrari, an old
Yeah,
one
all
from
this
the
Ferraris in there, yeah.
from the 60s. And of course the Gullwing SL 300.
Yeah.
But oh, an old Cord. You have a 1939 Cord in the back.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. 41. What is this? 41 Packard.
And this is the car I have at the moment.
Okay.
Mini Clubman.
Mini Clubman BMW. Okay. Aston Martin
I
Bond.
can pull that out if you move that over.
Oh, I see. Oh, you got some more here. Okay. So, who makes this little model?
Sorry?
What company made this?
Aston Martin.
No, the company that made the.
I think it's on the bottom.
Right.
Yeah, it is. It's what do they call them now? Can you read that?
I don't know.
Super something or Speedio.
No,
I forget
can't.
now what it
That's
is.
okay, hard to read, but it's okay. It wheels turn. Doors open. No, there are no doors.
No doors, but the hood opens. The hood, oops. The hood comes up. Well, with the straps off.
Oh, wow.
There you go.
There's some details.
Yeah.
Even has.
You want to see detail? It's on the motor on that one. That's really detailed.
Yeah.
I think even this has got nice detail.
What is this car?
Ford. Lincoln.
Oh, it's a
Lincoln Zephyr.
Okay.
1939 Lincoln Zephyr.
Well, thank you for sharing your the pleasure of your collection.